make a gasao, and I'm so struggle in the little. Now highlighted your inner corner and your nose. Now eyeliner, make a small and thin line and other side too. Now apply your mascara and your eyelashes. Now I'm put for blush for my cheeks and the pinkish blush. This is 2 fingers for your cheeks and ऐसे सर्कल बना के करना है, ऐसे आईज से लेके and your cheeks and your nose and chin. Make a mole for your eye corner and your nose. It's time for lipstick. I'm apply for 2 lipsticks. This is a red lipstick. This is a dark red lipstick. And completed my makeup. Wait, this is my final look.
City girls gotta move it. I got city girls singing with a grooving. 如果我们心相信 well then let's do it the flow. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you still want me.
Like and subscribe my channel if you like my makeup. For cute comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.